Yo guys, what's up? Today we're gonna play the cat update, which we will. Just don't worry, we'll just skip through this, okay? Okay guys, we just skipped through the rabbit one because we wanted to. Yeah, we're back. Well, with Ambush Rush and Screech Death. Wow! Now we're gonna play the actual Black Cat update. Be patient as the loading comes by. Loaders. We'll just skip. There was actually an ad going on. Now we're actually across the shore in distant lands. Whoa there! Is there an earthquake? Is this an earthquake? I do not know, Laura. Everything is breaking. How about the stuff? Oh shoot! We need to do something. It's locked. How about the other? Same thing. Okay, that did not scare me. That shocked me. Cat! It's gone inside. Sleep. Whoa! Dude, I swear. Baby! Baby, you move! Oh, I'll beat him up after this. Oh God. What are we supposed to do? We need to follow it. What? Yo,